for sharing these details. Now it's time to shift our focus to other developments that are happening down south in Kerala amid the outrage over the 15-year-old's suicide in Kerala's Kochi, allegedly after he was racked in school. Kerala Director General of Education Shanwas S has held a hearing here in connection with the probe into the alleged suicide by the 15-year-old boy, in which his family has since attributed to ragging his school affiliated with the CBSE in Kochi. He reportedly collected the statements of the parents of the victim, the principal and other officials of the school based on the probe. The authorities of the CBSE school have said that he previously studied were also summoned. The management of both the schools have been asked to produce the no objection certificates issued by the department within 3 days. The DGE is expected to submit a report soon to the Minister for the General Education, V. Sinankuti. GEMS Modern Academy Kochi has suspended its vice principal Binu Aziz following the controversy surrounding the death of former student Mihir Ahmed, who was allegedly subjected to harassment at the institution. Mihir Ahmed died by suicide on January 15th after jumping from the 26th floor in Kochi. In fact, 3 Punithra, barely an hour after he was returning from school. His mother Rajna PM has alleged that after Mihir's death, she and her husband have learnt that Mihir was brutally ragged and bullied by some schoolmates. All right, my colleague Belly is there with me on the broadcast. Belly, what is this entire matter on the probe into the death of the 15-year-old Mihir in Kerala, specifically talking about the circumstances in which the parents are alleging that have led to him committing the suicide?
Simran, the special investigation team constituted by the Kerala government is all set to move the court to add charges of abetment of suicide in connection with this incident. Like I said, the Director General of Education had also held a hearing in the connection of this 15-year-old boy's death that the family has attributed to bullying and ragging at his school that's affiliated with the Central Board of Secondary Education in Kochi. So the Director of General Education has reportedly collected the statements of the parents of the victim, the principal and the officials of the school based on the probe, and the authorities of the CBSE school he previously studied were also summoned and their statements recorded, and the management of both the schools have been asked to produce the no objection certificates issued by the department within 3 days. The hearing was held as the department reportedly sought clarifications from the management on various aspects related to the death of the boy. The Alua office of the department had submitted a preliminary report after the parents had allegedly blamed the school authorities for the death of their child. The Kochi police had initiated an inquiry after the boy's mother petitioned the Chief Minister's office and the state police chief, alleging that bullying and ragging at the school had driven her son to take the extreme step. So in her petition, the boy's mother also had stated that she had informed the school principal about the alleged bullying and the brutal ragging, providing even evidence collected by the family. The deceased was a class 9 student and the eldest son of the petitioner, and had joined that particular school in November 2024. The school authorities say that they have zero tolerance policies against bullying and ragging and did not condone or protect any student involved in such behavior. However, the special investigation team probing the case is now set to move the court to add charges of abetment of suicide with regard to the case, which was originally registered as an unnatural death earlier, and statements of the parties concerned would be recorded before filing a report before the court amending the sections in the coming days. Simran.
Well, all right, Belly. All eyes are now going to be on the report as well, in which in fact the details of the horrific and unfortunate account in which the Kerala teen had died by suicide contains. Now from there